In today's video, I'll show you how to add a brand kit in ActiveCampaign and import your brand assets so you can create more consistent marketing content. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the dashboard, look for the Customize or Customize Your AI option in the top right corner. Open it and look for the Add a Brand option. You'll be asked to provide your business website URL. Enter your website address and click Add Brand or Import My Brand Kit. ActiveCampaign can then scan your website and use the available information to identify your brand assets. Once the import is complete, review the information carefully. You can check your logos, brand colors, fonts, and social media links to make sure everything was imported correctly. If necessary, you can edit details, such as your brand name, industry, or mission statement. Take a moment to correct anything that doesn't accurately represent your business. Once you're satisfied with the information, click Save Brand or Save. Your brand kit is now available in ActiveCampaign and can help keep your marketing content consistent with your existing brand identity. And that's how you add a brand kit in ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.